Christmas channel Sirius XM. The salt spa. Yay. Good morning, it is 8:51. I am off to yoga. It sometimes is hard to get up when it's just cold out, but I forced myself this morning and I'm really happy I did because I know this class is going to feel so good. It's a 9 a.m. class, it's 8:51, so I'll make it, but like just in time. I love this studio and yeah, I'm really excited. So afterwards I'll probably just head home, shower, whatever, and start my day. But yeah, this is it for now. Okay, so I just finished my class. That was amazing. And now I'm gonna go home, get coffee, whatever. But yeah, that was just really nice way to start the day. I just showered and my room is kind of a mess just because I just got back from school. So I'm going to organize everything and come back when I'm done. Okay, so I just brushed my hair and I just let it dry. I let it air dry. I really rarely blow dry it, but yeah, I'm just gonna let it air dry. And I put some of this in it, which I love. It's like moisture shine cream. It's really good, so I just put that on the ends. Okay, so in the car with my mother. She doesn't want to be in it. Or do you?
No, it's fine.
No, there she is. Hey, we are going to a little, what is it? Pink
salt spa.
A salt spa.
Himalayan salt spa.
Like the Himalayan salt lamps. There's a whole kind of cave spa situation. So we're gonna have a little day. First, we're going to the post office. Exciting. Return some Pretty Little Thing clothes. And then the salt spa. Then Ulta. But the thing about the salt spa is apparently if you do 50 minutes, it's like 3 days at the beach worth of salt. Any more information about it?
Well, exfoliation and inhalation.
Oh yeah, you breathe it in.
You breathe it in, and it's good for digestion apparently. And
you do a shot of salt water. Optional.
Very optional, but it's supposedly an appetite suppressant.
Yeah. So that might be I don't know if I'm gonna take that or not.
Yeah.
I feel like that kind of sounds gross. Maybe I'll have a little sip, a little tongue dip in there. But yep, that is the day. I don't think I can film in it because the salt would ruin it. Just kind of like the beach actually. But if I get a scan of the lobby, you will be the first to know. We couldn't get this in the mailing slot, obviously. So now I have to run inside. Christmas channel Sirius XM. All right, try 780.
No.
We have arrived at the salt spa. I'm really energetic right now, so I need to kind of chill out because this is about to be 50 minutes of salt detox. You have to wear socks, apparently. Here we go, folks.
fine. Been trying to get all of you.
Okay, so we just left the salt room. Now I'm getting a matcha. And the person in front of us has decided to order 30 items at the window. We're watching to see what they got. Update, they have been passed pink drink.
Turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a look.
So I am now driving to work. Good morning. We have to look a little nice at work, a little fancy, a little cozy, whatever. So I have like this cute little Anthro headband, a little sweater and some flared jeans and booties. But yeah, I'm off to work. It's a really short shift today, but the traffic right now is kind of not my favorite. Okay, so made it to work 10 minutes early. Probably gonna grab a little coffee or a matcha if I'm feeling crazy. But yeah, made it in time. My face looks kind of bloated right now. I'm trying to remember if I ate gluten yesterday or not. I ate shrimp and I feel like there was a little something on there, so that's maybe why my face looks bloated right now. But that just means I have to drink lots of coffee, detox that gluten right out of the good old system. Off to work, bye.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Good morning. I just left the gym, and the reason my hair is down, well, I showered at the gym, but I didn't wash my hair because I didn't need to. So my hair actually stays clean for like a good amount of time. So I didn't have to, I try not to wash it that much because I don't want to dry it out or anything. Had a nice little workout. I tried Lauren Giraldo. I don't know how to say her last name. She does this thing where she does the treadmill on an incline of 12 at a speed of 3 for 30 minutes. And that's like her little cardio. And I did it today. And I actually did sweat a lot, and it was like really nice. So yeah, it was fun to try something different. Now I'm gonna go home and grab a matcha, and I kind of just need to start applying to jobs. That hit me when I was on the treadmill just now. I was like, I feel like I need to start doing that. So, but I just FaceTimed Austin, he didn't answer. I wanna know if I should get a matcha or an iced latte. I could decide by myself, but I would rather have some help. I think I'm gonna do iced latte because sometimes matchas are just not enough for me. So I'm gonna grab it to go. So yeah, pretty casual weekend, but tomorrow I'm actually going skiing with Austin, and I wonder if I could vlog that. I feel like that would be a lot, but I'll try to vlog it if I can.
Mom, the roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take.
So they put a little peppermint bean, like a little peppermint, white peppermint coffee bean on top. How cute is that? Like kind of weird looking, but kind of cute. Not mad. It's kind of like bitter. Oh, that's weird.
Are we going again?
Hello. So I just applied to jobs for a little while and just kind of hung out at home. Now I'm going to go get my hair done, which I'm really excited for. I'm gonna really brighten it up, which I always do in the winter, which is kind of weird, because I feel like if I go dark in the winter, that's gonna make me more pale than I already am. So normally I go light. This is the before. It's never this dark. Like, it's really dark right now. But yeah, this is the before. I'll show you the after.
Drive around to the sky and see me. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands at the wheel.
Yay! Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Fine by you, I'll be next to you.